Moving on now to our focus this hour, viewers, the NCB investigation into finding out the direct link between Bollywood and the drug nexus that operates now. Bollywood's A-listers, that are Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor, are likely to be summoned on Tuesday or Wednesday by the NCB in connection to the drug investigation. Remember, viewers, it was after the arrest of Rhea Chakrabarti is when we saw how the name of Sara Ali Khan had first crop up. In fact, it was Rhea who had brought up a name of over 25 names, 25 A-lister names from Bollywood who she believes are also part of this particular drug nexus. And now we are expecting both Sara and Shraddha to be summoned anytime in the next few days. Let's go across to my colleague Sucharita, joining us with more on this. Sucharita, we have accessed multiple chats that clearly show how the drug nexus operates in Bollywood. They talk about consumption and procurement of drugs in Bollywood like they are buying vegetables. Take us through the details of how the latest summon that might happen in the coming days of both Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor.
Well, it's only getting bigger from here because every day there are new names that are getting added to the list. We remember how Rhea Chakrabarti was summoned for the first time and how she started giving out names of people who were involved in drug parties, who were involved in the drug nexus in Mumbai. I'm right now at the NCB office and constant updates coming in from here, which we are briefing our viewers. As you were putting it, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh, Shraddha Kapoor, if they are to be summoned, because the information that we have, they may be summoned by tonight. If they are summoned by tonight, this is going to be huge because these are the stars of today and they are the ones who, if they are involved in these drug parties, the information that they would lead to, the names that they would lead to, because see, we've constantly been telling our viewers that it's a chain. It's a chain and that chain is getting exposed now. From Rhea, from Shovik to Rhea, from Rhea to Sara and Rakul Preet, and now from them to further what names are going to be out when investigation is underway with these stars. It is very, very significant that there is this constant chain is getting exposed. I think it is probably the first time that the inroads that drugs have made into Bollywood has come into foray and big names are being called for questioning. Big names. Sushant Singh Rajput's death led to this investigation, and now this entire caucus is being exposed. We're giving you the latest from here because from what we are being told, these summons may be issued by tonight. And Sara Ali Khan, imagine she's the daughter of Saif Ali Khan, the kind of parties and the kind of circles she moves around in, and all these parties. Our viewers would definitely be asking that people who are part of these parties, people who are part of the hangouts that Sara Ali Khan is part of, would they be unaware of the drug nexus? Would they be unaware of the drug cartel? Because there is a constant chain that is coming out now. And from the WhatsApp chat that we've shown to our viewers, this Miss D and Miss K, a big star of 90s and a current leading lady of Bollywood. If they are talking about a drug chat so normally, so casually, then think of the inroads that drugs have made into Bollywood. Now, it is very casually being talked about how the drugs they require drugs and they need drugs and who can get it for them. So it is this chain of stars. Then there's a second chain of people who are providing these drugs, who are the ones who are moving about from one place to the other for procurement and for purchase of these drugs. So these are parallel lines that need to be exposed. And at the topmost is this Bollywood celebrity chain, which is getting exposed now. And think about the names that will come into foray once Sara Ali Khan would be questioned, Rakul Preet Singh would be questioned, Shraddha Kapoor would be questioned, because they are to be summoned soon. And we've been constantly saying 25 Bollywood celebrities is what Rhea had named. Now, this is just the first set of names that have come out because Rhea Chakrabarti, in her investigation with the NCB, gave out these names. These names are to be summoned by the NCB. Now, think of the further chain, the next chain, the next set of stars who may be called by the NCB for the first time ever, because in Mumbai you'd always heard about a drug nexus, you'd always heard about a drug consumption racket, but probably the first time that
In
big
fact,
Bollywood
Sucharita,
celebrities
stay
are
with
under
us.
the scandal.
It's not just the summoning of these two A-listers that we are focusing on. We are also focusing on Shruti Modi and Jaya Saha, who have been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Republic is picking up more details of how two more big names that are emerging now. One is Bollywood's leading actress, as you were mentioning, Sucharita, and another is also in the Karan Johar video, and her name has also now come up in connection with the drug chats with Jaya Saha, and another actor's name which has come up, which is from a leading Bollywood family. So, Sucharita, this completely in a way exposes, and it's just the tip of the iceberg that we are seeing with the arrest of Riya Chakrabarti as well as all these drug peddlers and summoning. We are expecting more and more people to be summoned now from the A-list gang of Bollywood who are in a way cahoots with what is happening with the drug consumption.
Very rightly said, it's just the tip of the iceberg, because as I said, there are parallel chains moving. The first chain is right at the top, which is of Bollywood celebrities. Then there is a second chain of how these people were accessing these drugs, and that is where Jaya Saha's name cropped up. Now, Jaya Saha being part of a WhatsApp group that is talking about drugs, that is talking about how to get drugs, how to procure drugs. So obviously, Jaya Saha knows much more. Jaya Saha knows many more names that may come out during the investigation, because this WhatsApp chat that we are referring to with Miss D and Miss K, the D, a leading lady of present times, K, a leading lady, a top star of the 90s, and they are casually discussing drugs. So Jaya Saha forms part of that second line. People who were actually being used to get drugs, people who were actually being used to get information on drug peddlers, who would procure drugs, how would it reach them. So these parallel lines being exposed at the same time. But what is most significant is the big names of Bollywood that will now come up. As you rightly said, that it is just the first set of names that has cropped up. Because from Shovik, remember how it all started. From Shovik, the names of drug peddlers came out. Those drug peddlers, information given out by them, there were raids all over Mumbai, there were more arrests, and then Riya Chakrabarti. Then Riya Chakrabarti gave further names. Now we are hearing about summoning Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor and Rakul Preet Singh. Now think of the names that these people would give, because there's going to be a further chain. So there is a constant chain that we are following, and think of the names that will come up now after these people are summoned and they will be questioned. We're again and again saying they are A-listers of Bollywood. And if NCB has now thought of a clean-up process, has thought of a crackdown, it is just the beginning. Because Sara Ali Khan and Rakul Preet Singh, these are big names. They are the current leading ladies in Bollywood. And if they are being summoned by the NCB, they would be summoned by the NCB. Now think of all the names that they would give out. Because think of the movies that they've done. We've always been saying that Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh, Shraddha Kapoor, they've been part of some big hits in recent times, and they've been part of these Bollywood circles. So it's a constant chain, and I would just say that this is just the beginning. As you said, the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more names that would be revealed, and I believe that is the biggest threat and the biggest fear, because of which there has been a constant process to protect, a constant process to hide these names. And that is why we are questioning this constant protection that has been given to first Riya and then the entire chain. Why are people not speaking up? When people speak up about a drug nexus or a drug cartel in Mumbai, in the film industry, there are people from within the industry who start attacking those people.
Right.
I'm clearly talking about Ravi Kishan and Kangna. Now, Kangna was attacked because she spoke about a drug nexus. But there should be voices that should speak about this drug nexus, rather than attacking those who are wanting an expose.
Absolutely, Sucharita. Thank you so much for getting us the latest as far as the NCB investigation is concerned. We'll wait and see who are these A-listers now called in for questioning by the top agency.